Ladies and gentlemen, this is Miss World 2026. Good day, pageant lovers. Here are our Miss World 2026 head-to-head challenge America's Standouts. Let me give you our top 10 standouts. Number 10, we have Miss World Nicaragua. Number 9, Miss World El Salvador. Number 8 spot, Miss World Peru. Number 7, Miss World Bolivia, and number 6 spot is Miss World Chile. And now, ladies and gentlemen, get ready for our top 5 standouts for the head-to-head challenge of Miss World 2026 coming from the Americas. Spot number 5, Miss World USA. Number 4, Miss World Colombia. Number 3 spot, Miss World Canada. Number 2, Miss World Argentina. And number 1 is Miss World Brazil. Just comment down below your favorite candidate and your winner for the head-to-head challenge coming from the Americas. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we will be giving more updates. Thank you so much for watching.